My name is Mike Grossi. I'm the president of Kremin Inc. in Frankenmuth, Michigan, and we are a machining facility. We machine all kinds of different materials, stainless steels, plastics, parts for a number of different industries. We ran into an issue we were having with one particular part. We called our tooling provider, which is PF Markey. PF Markey brought in Devin and the Fullerton team to work with us on this specific product. It was a stainless steel application. It had a large pocket in it. It was taking us about 40 minutes apart. We're getting one tool every 4 parts in the current way we were running it. So Devin came in and provided us with a Fullerton Fury end mill and worked with my programmers to reprogram and rework the product to take the cycle time down from 40 minutes to 12 and take the tooling life from 1 every 4 part to 1 every 16 part. The best part of it was Devin actually trained our operators how to utilize this specific end mill and this process so we could apply it to other parts that were different than what we were running but had the same type of application throughout our facility. So he was fantastic. The operators loved working with him. The solution we've put in place we're using in different locations, and I can't say enough how great it was to work with Fullerton on a project like this.